What if I told you that all you have to do is draw a simple line on a photo and AI will turn it into an epic FPV drone shot? This trend is blowing up right now, and the best part is you don't need a real drone or any video editing skills. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Step 1. Draw the drone flight path. First, open your photo using the default gallery app on your Android phone or iPhone. Tap Edit, then open the Draw or Markup tool. Choose any brush you like. Now, simply draw the drone flight path directly on top of your photo. This line tells the AI exactly where you want the virtual drone to fly. You can make it fast, slow, curved, close to the subject, or even create a dramatic flyby. Once you're happy with the path, save the edited image. Step 2. Generate the video prompt. Next, open Google Gemini or ChatGPT. Upload the image you just drew on, then paste in the master prompt. I've already prepared it for you, and you can download it from my website using the link in the description below. After that, hit send and let the AI analyze your image. In just a few moments, Gemini or ChatGPT will generate a complete video prompt that matches the exact drone path you drew. It even adapts the camera movement to your specific image automatically. Pretty cool, right? Step 3. Generate the video. Now copy the video prompt that Gemini or ChatGPT created. Open Google Flow or Seedance. Either one works. Upload your original photo, the one before you drew the flight path. If you no longer have it, you can still use the marked up version, but the original photo usually gives the best results. Choose Video Generation. Enable Ingredients mode, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, select the Omni Flash model, and set the duration to 10 seconds. Make sure your uploaded image is attached to the prompt. Then paste the video prompt into the prompt box. Finally, click Send and wait for the generation to finish. That's it. Your AI-generated POV drone shot is ready. And that's how you can create those viral AI drone videos with nothing more than a single photo and a hand-drawn line. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more AI tutorials every week, and let me know in the comments what kind of camera movement you'd like to create next.